look what I found. Remember what we were talking about before? Bigger than your deer.
Wait, though. This somebody had it hanging.
Maybe.
All right, today we're dividing and conquering. Sharon is going out to the property to pick some tin so that I could finish demolishing that little shed and loading the dumpster. I am hauling the ATV over there for transportation for us. My really only goal today is to bring the high lifter up to the shed area and load out the neighbor's big junk pile. I'm going to use 2 machines to do that, force multipliers, because it's a little bit of a distance from the dumpster, and that bucket is so huge that I'm just going to load into that the John Deere bucket and load out the dumpster that way. And then my hopes is I'll be back tomorrow, you know, if we don't get any snow or sleet or anything like that. So she's been over there. We'll check in on her, see how she's doing with her barn boards and her picking the tin. And I don't want to use that high lifter that much because it's got a brand new exhaust leak that could affect the turbo. Debris could get in there. They couldn't find the part for it. Well, me and Phil looked at it. It feels like I just get some header wrap. You know, that's all it needs. Some high temp header wrap. So I ordered the header wrap and clamps. So I don't want to use it a ton because I don't want that to come totally apart, the exhaust. So I'm going to kind of take it easy for a few days and use the excavator for what I can. Alright, so I changed my mind on the dozer because it's got an exhaust leak and I don't want that pipe to totally come apart. I got the part ordered. It's engine wrap basically, so I'll just pick away at this since I'm here. Came and dropped off another piece of equipment. I'll just walk this much as I can, walk it over to the dumpster. It's gloomy winter, but at least it ain't sleeting or snowing. That's a big handful. Really? So this is my plan. I ain't staying too long today. Tomorrow I'm planning on coming back. I got nothing else on my schedule tomorrow. Get some more stuff done. Got a long laundry list. Like a couple years worth. Yeah, this dumpster they sent is on its last leg. Hopefully I don't break the bottom out by scrunching it. The whole bottom is rusted. Come on, man, Bobcat, get warm. This Bobcat to get in the shop too for some service. Man, I'm hitting something. I think it might be another concrete slab or something down there that I'm hitting. I mean, I kind of make more of a mess this way, but I haul. I'm able to track a lot more over. Maybe not that time. this for a while. Check back in.
It moves across the sea.
Bill that they didn't send us for the last dumpster we did at our place. It was way overweight. We owe them another 350 bucks because we had that thing loaded, overloaded. I'm sure we'll get some heavy weights on these too, but do it once and get rid of as much garbage as you can. Look at that, I dropped the kitchen sink. Yep, I sure did. Oh, dadgummit. I did not want to do that. More hand cleanup.
Joe, you found the old cast iron sink. Can you dig that back out?
Try this again with another big load. Probably lose half of it. There goes another sink. Kind of regretting not using the eye lifter, but like I said, that exhaust leak is ready to break, and it's very fixable right now. And I don't want it sounding like a hot rod with no exhaust. Figured out a really good or easy way to clean up the aftermath like this. I mean, I have used the TR3 to some degree of success, but ultimately at some point you got to just pick it by hand, you know, all your leftover mess, little stuff. All right, we almost got her full. We'll check back in. If I can get this sink without destroying it like the last one, although it might be metal, I'm not sure. I think it might be metal. Ain't got a whole lot of room left in the dumpster. Get this fridge crunched down. Make it smaller. I found a brick chimney and another big chunk of concrete. That's what I was hitting earlier that was hard in there. I don't know what kind of building was here. Might have been a little house, like the original farmhouse. Gotta have the dumpster level. I can't have it overflowing, so like this stuff here I gotta keep smashing down, but I got a little more room down on this end, so we'll get her filled up. Alright, we got the power company here. I'm almost fully loaded. So I'll be done with this task for now. Power company is replacing that whole meter box. That's kind of a nice bonus for us, so it'll be a nice brand new one. Tree's gonna have to go. I mean, small bricks like that I'll throw in there, but not the big giant chunks.
I get nervous changing out an outlet.
Not the ideal way to load, but better than loading by hand. Well, another productive day.
Yep. Yeah, I just got it figured out today. It said it's 3-month hook. So I was just checking if I could. Yeah. Yep, we're planning to. Okay. All right.
Be nice if they can get this dumpster swapped tomorrow, even though it's Saturday. Little unnerving now with them guys working here. I don't want to, you know, fling something out and hit one of them workers.
Alright, so we're just clearing the area for the next dumpster and picking up a few things down here. And look what I found! Remember what we were talking about before? About sheds?
Look at who's lucky.
Look at that's like bigger than your deer.
Wait though, this ain't a wild shed because somebody had it hanging.
Maybe
So
the
this
deer
don't count.
The deer got caught in the wire. There's wire everywhere, Joe.
No, somebody at this former place of residence
I don't know.
had it hanging.
I think it got
So
hung up.
it doesn't not count as a real antler
I think it
shed.
got hung up in the wire. We'll just say that, okay?